In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Confluence. If you spend a lot of time in Confluence, switching to dark mode can make reading and editing easier on your eyes, especially in low light environments. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can make the change in just a minute or two. Start by opening Confluence and logging into your account. Make sure you're signed in with the profile you actually use, since the appearance setting is saved per user. Once you're in, look to the top corner of the page for your profile picture or avatar. It's usually a small circle with your initials or an image. Click that to open your personal menu. From the menu, head into your personal settings or account settings. The wording can vary depending on your Confluence plan or version, but both options take you to the same place, the page where you control your individual preferences. Take a moment here to notice the different categories on the left or across the page. This will help you find appearance options quickly next time. Next, locate the section labeled Theme or Appearance. In some setups, it might be under Display, Look and Feel, or Accessibility, but it will clearly relate to how Confluence looks for you. Open that section, and you should see choices for color themes. Choose Dark Mode. When you select it, many interfaces will show a quick preview so you can confirm you like the look. Dark Mode in Confluence typically inverts the background to a deeper shade and lightens the text, while preserving accent colors for buttons and links, which helps maintain readability and focus. After selecting dark mode, make sure to save or apply the change. Look for a button labeled Save, Apply, or Done. If you don't click it, your choice might not stick the next time you navigate away. To confirm everything worked, refresh Confluence. A quick reload ensures the theme applies consistently across all pages, spaces, and the editor. When the page comes back, you should see the darker background across your dashboard, navigation menus, and content areas. If you don't see the dark mode option, it may be disabled by your organization's administrator, or your version of Confluence may not support it yet. In that case, check with your admin or revisit settings later. And remember, you can always come back to the same appearance section to switch between light and dark whenever you need. That's all there is to it. Enjoy a more comfortable, eye-friendly Confluence experience.